Why are classic cars still popular today? Despite the rise of modern vehicles with advanced technologies, classic cars remain incredibly popular for several reasons. Nostalgia. For many people, classic cars remind them of a simpler time or their younger years. Exclusivity. Classic cars are often limited in number, making them rare and highly sought after by collectors. Investment potential. Many classic cars appreciate in value over time, making them a smart investment for collectors. Rare and well-maintained models can be worth millions of dollars at auction. Driving experience. There's something special about driving a classic car. The combination of manual transmission, raw power, and a connection to automotive history provides a unique driving experience that modern cars can't replicate. Classic car events and shows, Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, USA. One of the most famous classic car events, attracting the finest cars from around the world. Goodwood Revival, UK, a celebration of classic motorsport and racing cars, taking place in the heart of the UK's motorsport history. Monterey Car Week, USA, a week-long celebration of classic and vintage cars, featuring auctions, exhibitions and races. The future of classic cars. As the world becomes more focused on sustainability and electric vehicles, there are growing efforts to electrify classic cars. Many enthusiasts are converting their favorite classic models into electric vehicles, keeping the iconic design while embracing modern, environmentally friendly technology. References. 1. Hagerty, Classic Car Value Guide, https www.hagerty.com. 2. Classic Car Restorations, How to Restore Your Classic Car, https www.classiccarrestorations.com. 3. Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, Event Details, https www.pebblebeachconcours.net. هل تحب المقال الجاي يكون عن السيارات الكهربائية أو السيارات الرياضية الفاخرة سوبر كارز بوبونبر ستينكر سوبر بربايندر